Alright, let's roll. Fuck it. Watch out for the guys over there. 3 minutes! How did they not shoot it? He did. Are you serious? Black 2! He's still in! Yeah, I know, I thought I got him too. I don't think he's calling his hit, but he's behind that black tubing, and then there's a guy still on the bus. I know, the guy on the bus has good range. He's getting, like, lidding everyone out.
Curving up now.
Yo, right side, Steve. Whoa. I know, I'll go. How do I miss it? I'm ready, Steve. Next time he pops out, he's dead. Yeah.
Huh?
That had to suck.
I was out, battery was dead, gas was on.
There's no choice, son, yeah.
Go for a bang, actually.
He's out.
Moving in.
Or left, opposite side.
I don't think there's anyone left to shoot at.